Hello everyone, this is Chris Rauschnott, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're unboxing Alpha Glass from Otter Products. We like Alpha Glass. We've used this on a 5S before a couple years ago, and we're going to go ahead and try it out on a new phone. This particular model of Alpha Glass works with the iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 6s Plus, and iPhone 6 Plus, so the larger phones. They include a cleaning wipe and a glass cleaner right here once you get it applied. Alpha Glass information packet, how to install it. It's actually pretty easy. Just put it on, make sure your screen is clear. Pull the sticky off and you're good to go. Alpha Glass is fantastic. The glass actually lasted longer than the phone did. I actually ended up selling the phone and took the glass and got a different phone and put the glass on that phone, so it was great. I used it around Canada and United States, and it did a great job protecting it. And what's particularly interesting and good about this glass, because there's definitely a lot of companies that make cheap glass out there for phones, but what's great about this is that it's made for their cases. So if you get an OtterBox case, this will work great with that. There's always clearance issues if you try to get glass for a phone. So this is what you want to get. It's not yellow glass, this is just the cover. So as you can see, you peel off here. And then this one here. So you do 1, 2. It's pretty easy. We like Alpha Glass, like I said, and if you have an OtterBox case, then you'll definitely want to get this. This is Chris Rauschnott, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up. Thank you.